Hello kids! Join us as we explore the fiery and exciting world of volcanoes today. Our Earth is like a big puzzle made of giant pieces called tectonic plates moving around. Deep inside the Earth, it is very hot, turning solid rock into glowing liquid magma. When magma finds a thin spot in the crust, it pushes upward to erupt outside. A volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock below. When magma breaks through the surface, we call this bright orange liquid hot lava flow. Some volcanoes look like tall cones, while others are flat like a very wide shield. An active volcano is one that can erupt at any time with smoke and fire. A dormant volcano is like it is sleeping and might wake up someday very soon. Extinct volcanoes are ones that will never erupt again because they are very old mountains. The Ring of Fire is a huge circle in the ocean with many active volcanoes. Volcanic ash is made of tiny pieces of glass and rock blown into the sky. These ash clouds can travel very far and make the sky look quite dark today. When lava cools down very quickly, it turns into a shiny black rock called obsidian. Pumice is a special volcanic rock that is so light it can float on water. Volcanoes can also happen deep under the ocean where we cannot easily see them erupt. Underwater eruptions can create brand new islands in the middle of the deep blue sea. Hawaii is a beautiful place made entirely of volcanoes that rose from the deep ocean. Geysers are hot springs that blast boiling water high into the air like giant fountains. Mud pots are bubbly pools of hot mud that go pop and plop very loudly. Volcanic soil is very rich and helps plants and colorful flowers grow big and strong. Scientists who study volcanoes are called volcanologists, and they wear special shiny heat-proof suits. They use amazing tools to listen to the ground and watch for any tiny movements. Some volcanoes erupt slowly with oozing lava that moves like thick, red forest honey. Other volcanoes erupt with a big bang, throwing rocks high into the fluffy white clouds. Gas bubbles inside the magma make the eruption very powerful and very fast for us. A crater is the bowl-shaped opening at the very top of a tall volcanic mountain. Sometimes a crater fills with rainwater to create a beautiful and very blue lake. Lava tubes are long tunnels underground where hot lava used to flow like fast rivers. Basalt is a dark, heavy rock that forms when lava cools on the ground. Granite is another type of rock that forms slowly deep inside the Earth's hard crust. Hot springs are natural pools of warm water heated by the Earth's inner volcanic fire. Steam rises from the ground near volcanoes, making the air feel very warm and damp. Volcanic lightning can happen inside ash clouds during a very big and loud eruption event. People have lived near volcanoes for a long time because the land is so fertile. Fumaroles are small vents that let out steam and smelly gases into the open air. Volcanic glass is very sharp and was used to make tools a long time ago. The temperature of lava can be over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely hot. New land is being made every day by volcanoes all around our big beautiful planet. We must always respect the power of nature and stay safe around active volcano sites. Mountains can grow taller every time a volcano erupts and adds more hard new rock. Geology is the study of rocks and helps us understand how our Earth works today. Today we learned about lava, ash, and how volcanoes build brand new land on Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures with us every week. See you next time, little explorers! Keep discovering the wonders of our world. Bye-bye!